Good morning, traders. Today is live trading for crude oil futures contract, December 2018. So today is 31st October 2018, Asian time. So now local time is 8 a.m. in the morning. So in Chicago time is now in evening and midnight in Frankfurt. Yeah, I mean Euro time. So I just my trading setup just alert me for a buying confirmation. So there's if you can see here, there's a small triangle of green. This is my entry. 66.47 will be my entry, and I'm expecting for the price to move slightly slow this morning, but still have opportunity to gain around 15 to 20 ticks in profit. So due to this is a pre-market Asia session, the price movement is very slow and the volume is not very much. I'm expecting for the price to reach there maybe after 2 hours. So I will keep resume and pause this video during this recording. So at this moment we are minus 2 ticks, so about minus $20 in the PNL. We'll see for the next 2 hours to achieve the target area somewhere here. Okay guys, I will pause this video and resume back later.
Traders, we resume back again.
Alright traders, we resume back again. So at this moment it has been 2 hours since my entry. This is Asia session, so it's quite normal that the market move very slow compared to London session and US session. So the movement of the price already about not much, 7 point up, 7 ticks up, 7 ticks down. At this moment I'm still on the negative side, minus 3 ticks, so it's around minus 30 US dollar. So we'll expect the price will have a big move maybe by 11 a.m. Local time. So maybe on US time 11 p.m. almost midnight. Okay, so this will take some time for the price to move to our direction. So at this moment still waiting for the breakthrough from the previous high. So there's a the nearest high. There's now got 3 nearest high. So one, I consider this one also high, this one is the second one, and this one is the third one. Once it's passed through to this level, it have more tendency to go on the upward movement. So guys, we resume this video later once the price break through all these 3 resistance level or nearest high level. Okay guys, we resume back again. It has been 3 hours after first entry earlier this morning. So as you can see now, the price did almost break through the first nearest high somewhere here. So you can see it's almost on the same level. So I'm expecting for it to break through all this high and go for further upside price movement. So as I mentioned before, this is a Asia session, so it will take some time for the price to move. It will be very slow kind of price movement. So I will keep posted and do live trading with you guys and pause this video for a while and resume back later once there's a penetration on the higher side. So at this moment positive 40 USD in the profit. So let's wait and see for the next maybe 1 hour and a half. Hopefully it will reach the target area at 66.71 here. Okay guys, see you later. Okay guys, we resume back again. So at this moment during London session, the market did spike, not spike, I mean it goes for higher movement. So I have closed my position at 77. So as you all know, my entry is 47. So there is around 30 ticks price movement. This is 47, this is 77. So around 30 ticks price movement, I've closed my positions and earned a profit of 300 US dollar. So it's clear now, no positions. So it looks good during London session. Then I hope for US session I can earn some more uh profit during while waiting for my trading setup to provide any good setup. So at this moment it was a good setup and 300 in profit. So if you watch earlier, that I have to wait around what, since 7 a.m. early this morning during Asia session until London session, then I close my position. So I think around 8 hours, 8 hours for this 300 US dollar profit. So guys, please subscribe my channel for more videos in future. Thank you. Bye bye.